Hello and welcome to another ICDsoft hosting video tutorial. Today we'll show you how to fix a common issue with email clients and Apple Mail in particular. We'll talk about how to fix the mail can't verify the identity of the server error. Let's go ahead and demonstrate how this error occurs with the Apple Mail client. We're running this on macOS 12.4 Monterey and Apple Mail version 16. These are the latest versions as of 2022, but even if you're using older versions, the solution described here should still be applicable. For the purpose of demonstrating the issue, I have created a new email account that's configured to connect to both the incoming and outgoing email servers over SSL, but I've intentionally entered an incorrect host address for both servers so I can trigger the error. After a few seconds, Apple Mail would show the actual error. Mail can't verify the identity of the server mail.domainnameexample.com. The certificate for this server is invalid. You might be connecting to a server that's pretending to be mail.domainnameexample.com, which could put your confidential information at risk. Let's click on the Show Certificate button and check out the details. You can see a more detailed error highlighted in red. SSL.server277.com certificate does not match input. So what actually happens is that the SSL certificate installed on the email server has been issued for a different address than the one you've entered in the configuration of your Apple Mail. Basically, the server-side SSL is issued for the actual server name. In that case, that's server277.com, but when configuring their email account at Apple Mail or any other client for that matter, a lot of users enter mail.theiractualdomainname.com. This particular mismatch triggers the error reported by Apple Mail, and the solution is pretty simple. You just need to correct the value of your incoming and outgoing mail server addresses to match the address for which the certificate is issued. That's the reason why if you look at the configuration instructions that are knowledge-based, users are advised to enter mail.yourserver.com for the incoming and outgoing mail server addresses, and you should replace yourserver.com with your actual server's hostname, and it's listed in the upper left corner of your control panel right there. If you're still not sure what the correct mail server address is for your email account, you can contact our support team. We have a live chat on our website and it's available 24/7. So let's go ahead and apply our fix to see if that would resolve the issue. Go to Mail Preferences, click on the account in question, switch to the Server Settings tab. Under the Incoming Mail Server IMAP section, you can see that our hostname is incorrectly entered as mail.domainnameexample.com. So let's change that to mail.server277.com. Again, you should use the address of your actual hosting server, and it's listed in your welcome email and also at the control panel. And we'll also do that for the outgoing mail server. Make sure to press the save button at the end. If we try to connect now, we should no longer get that error. And you can see we just got a new message without any errors. You can also test your outgoing server settings by sending a message to yourself, for example. It went through, and you can see that we received it just fine. So we have successfully resolved the error, and Apple Mail is now able to connect to the email server over a secure connection. Thank you for watching this video.